So I am Master from Ranga Technologies, Coimbatore. So now we are going to see the cold press machineries, how to run the machine, everything. I'm just going to show in this video. So you can see my contact number 9943012302. My brand name is Ranga Technologies. So we are manufacturing cold press all extracting machine, fully wooden machine. So our company is located in Coimbatore. So I'll repeat my number 9943012302. So we are manufacturing this machine fully wooden. So inside also fully wooden. I'll just show you the machines. So here one part is removed and kept. So inside if you see the machine is totally wooden. It's a single piece wooden machine. So the outer part also is made up of wood. And the inner part also is a fully wooden machine. So this is a pure cold press machine. What we are manufacturing right now is fully wooden machine. And now this machine is ready for trial. So this is a groundnut, around like 20 kg groundnut now we have. So now we are going to process this seed. So the crushing part is also made up of wooden. So this is also wage wood, and this drum also made up of wage wood. So everything is made up of single wood. So everything is made up of cold press machine means the oil temperature should not be increasing. So that's why we are using a fully wooden. In the fully wooden machine, the main advantage is the oil temperature will be not increasing. So that's why we are using this fully wooden machine. So you can see that how others are doing. So this is the model others are doing, a rotating model. So in this rotating model, you can see inside it's made up of steel, cast iron. So this is the model they are others are manufacturing in Coimbatore, the same design. So you can see that shaft, everything. So in the iron part, the crushing part also will be, this is in a crushing part. This is made up of cast iron. So this is not a food grade material. This is not a food grade material actually, but they are using this material for oil extracting. And this is also not a food grade material. This is a cast iron part. So this is not a food grade. This is not good for health. So they are also using this part for oil extracting. But my machine is like our brand machine. What we are doing is totally food grade. So the top tray is made up of stainless steel 304. So inner part is wooden. That's a food grade material. So the outer part also is made up of stainless steel 304. So it's a totally organic and hygienic machine what we are manufacturing. So now we are going to start this machine. So we are going to do the trial. I'll just show you how it's running, everything. I'll just show you in this video. So keep watching. So now we are going to start this machine. So here we are using 3 HP 3-phase motor, and here is the switch. So now we have started the machine. Now we are going to pour half liter water. So after adding water only, it will become cake. From the cake only oil will start extracting. So for the 20 kg raw material, now we are adding maximum 1 liter water we will be adding. So now first we are adding half liter water. So we need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. So oil will start coming. So now we can see the wooden parts they are doing machining. This is the wooden part we are using for crushing wood. So these are the wooden parts we are using for the crushing wood. And you can see the drum part. So this is the drum part. So these are the machined wooden powder. So in this machine you can see that. So there's no frames inside the machine. So it is only made up of sheets. So you can see that it's only like 5 mm thickness sheets they are using. So inside there's a motor and there's one gearbox. So only that is a mechanism like everywhere they are using the same thing. So only the motor and gearbox they are using. So this gearbox we have a regular maintenance, like we need to change oil within 3 to 4 months regularly. We need to change oil, otherwise the gearbox will be not working fine. So this is the same design everyone is doing. So you can see that inside there's a motor, only 2 belts they are using, and this is a gearbox. So So only this is the model everyone is doing. So in the outer part there's no frame, so it's made up of only sheets. So inside this also it's totally hollow. It's total hollow. So only gearbox they are using over here, and this is the main shaft. Around like only 50 dia they are using. So this is a bearing they are using. So we have kept this model just for the difference between our machine and the other machines. So you can see the difference between our machine. So in that machine, whatever the difference we cannot able to see, we cannot find any problem. But in our machine, we can totally see everything visibly. So this is the motor we are using. So we are using belt drive over here, and backside also we are using belt drive. The bottom we are using gear. It's totally a wooden. It's totally a visible model. So if you have any sound or noise, you can easily see and you can solve your problem easily. You don't need to wait for a technician to come and solve the problem. So you can itself easily find out where the sound is coming, and you can easily apply the grease and you can run the machine. So you don't need any technician for doing this machine service. So everyone can handle this machine. So after oil is coming, I'll just show you the video. Now you can see that how the oil is coming from the ground nut. So now it's almost it has become cake. From the cake, oil has been extracted. So now we'll be removing the oil from the machine. So it's very easy to remove the oil. So that's it. If you remove this lock, the oil will start coming. Oh. It's coming in a full force. So within 10 minutes we have got this much of oil. So the filter is used to collect this raw material. So you can see that how much oil we have got from the groundnut. So we have put 20 kg of groundnut. So we'll be getting up to 8 kg of oil from this groundnut. So normally 40 to 43% will be getting. So inside you can see that oil fully went down. So it will be very easy for operating. So no need of any experienced person to run this machine. Anyone can operate this machine. It will be very easy. So continuously oil will be coming like this, and again we will be putting the lock inside the machine and we will be extracting the oil. So next time when I am taking again, I'll just show you how we are taking the oil. So now you can see inside it's fully cake. It has become cake, groundnut cake. So now we are going to take the oil out second time. This is the second time oil we are taking out. You can see how the clear oil is very clear. So the removing oil from the machine is very easy, not a difficult work, and no need of any labor to run the machine, no need of keeping the hand inside the machine, and noise load also will be very less, and the performance of the machine will be very good. And you can see how the machine is working. So we have got this much of oil from this, around like 8 kg of oil we have got from 20 kg of raw material. Minimum we can put 12 kg raw material in this machine, maximum 20 kg we can process. So that's it. So there is no block in the hole, the oil will be coming out easily. So very successful model what we are doing. So others are doing only this rotary type model. You can see inside the machine it's very hollow. It's nothing will be there inside the machine. It will be totally sheets, only 5 mm thickness sheets they are using, and you can see that only motor and gearbox. So no other mechanism they are using, and directly they'll be fixing this wood and the cast iron part of the machine, and they'll be doing this. So production wise and cost wise it's very cheap, like production cost very less for this model. But if you see our machine, it's totally, like you can see the how many like it's made up of totally frame. It's totally heavy material we have used, so there'll be no vibration or noise in the machine. It will be a very steady and strong machine what we are doing. So you can see the channel how we are using. So it's not made up of seats, it's made up of frames, steel. So you can see that frame how we are using, and mechanism you can see that this is a motor. So here one belt drive, and that's a one belt drive we are using, and bottom we are using gear. So these all the things in our machine. So everyone is asking cost wise and why it is very differing from, but when compared to the cost wise also we are giving the best price when compared to the same model who is doing in my competitors in Coimbatore. So fully wooden we are doing right now. So this is the difference between our machine and the other machineries in Coimbatore. So others are made up of cast iron, but that's not a food grade. So in our machine we are doing in a fully wooden. So while taking the cake I'll just show you. Friends, now you can see that now the groundnut has become fully cake. So it has become fully dry. So oil has been fully extracted from the cake, from the groundnut, and now it has become cake. So you can see inside there is a large crushing area. It is around like 3 feet long crushing part we are using for our machine, but others are using only 1.5 feet crushing part for extracting the oil from the groundnut or any other raw material. So like in our machine we have a larger crushing area. So inside I will show you. So we have a larger crushing area. So this is the crushing area. We have a larger area, around like 2 feet crushing area we have, but others are using only half feet or 1 feet crushing area for crushing the raw material, and crushing part also the very small part. But in our machine we have a larger crushing area. So we have a good life when compared to other machineries, when compared to the rotary type model. So our machine will be having a good life. The wooden part will be having a good life. So this is the main advantage of our machine. And you can see that oil is fully extracted. So oil stopped coming. So oil is over. So this is the oil we have extracted. And this is an cake we have got from this groundnut, 20 kg groundnut. So thank you friends for watching this video. If anyone is interested to buy this machine, please contact me 99430 So I'll repeat the number 99430 Please contact this number. So if you are interested to buy this machine, so please contact my number. I'll just repeat it again, 99430 So thank you for watching this video. So if anyone is interested, please contact me. Thank you.